So the bakery was inspired by my Swedish roots. My grandfather came from Sweden. He taught me a lot about Swedish traditions through his stories of his childhood upbringing, mostly in the farmland. I eventually opened a Swedish gift and coffee shop in Connecticut. And so I was inspired by his story, his perseverance to do that despite different life challenges. I wanted to combine that with my love of baking and Oregon ingredients. And I'm also legally blind, so I wanted to provide opportunities for people with disabilities to get employment and mentorship that I didn't find when I was an undergrad looking for a job. We just had our 5th year anniversary, and as part of that, we are raising funds for Guide Dogs for the Blind. And we also support other organizations that help people with disabilities, like the Federation for the Blind. So we do all of that while making it vegan, so it's friendly to the climate and animals and different allergy restrictions. We make almond cake and cardamom buns, cinnamon rolls. Oh, and we use a lot of lingonberries because those like the harsh climate of Sweden. What they can grow there is pretty limited, and so they had to make do with that and whatever spices they could easily import. And so spices became very important, as well as in later years nuts. Being involved in ScanFair helps me connect with people who need vegan products and wouldn't normally find us. They're always glad because we're one of the only vegan places at ScanFair, or if not the only. So I like providing that for people and just feeling the spirit of the season.